Look, I'm a bit of birch rind there now. Start up a fire.
I think today we'll have a cup of coffee instead of tea. What do you think, Danny?
Oh yes, it's gonna be alright now.
Warm me up.
Warm us up after the walk up.
So we're up to the tiny cabin this evening. There's a snowstorm going on outside. We got some northeasterly winds. We're supposed to get 15 to 20 centimeters. Little spot's not finished yet, but great for this, eh, Danny?
Oh yes. Great ways to come on weather like this.
Doesn't that tree look like a lady? Probably back in the Victorian times. Fancy hat on. Nice dress. Having some fried pork chops this evening. I wish there was a smell button instead of a like button, because I'm going to guarantee you, I think we get a few smells. Or I should say a few sniffs.
It's gonna be alright. The pork chops now and the salad.
Looks like some hornets made this place their home. All gone now though. Neat little creatures, are they? I made it so perfect. So this is a little power bank that Danny's got, a little reactor, that's the name of it. Works perfect, great for charging devices, comes with a light, a few other things. This is the case it came in. So you can charge up your battery if need be. Yeah, charging up Danny's phone. That's our group we got on Facebook, Goofy Rigs and Jigs. Big shout out to all of our members. They're all awesome. Pork chops are all done. Looking so good. Water's boiled. A cup of tea or coffee after. Coffee, I think it's going to be. There you go. Pork chops and potato salad. It'll be some good. Danny fried pork chops. Have a taste, Danny boy. Let us know what it's like, for God's sakes. I'm dying here. Wow.
Tender enough.
You're wondering where the Nook is too? I had to bring him home. He wanted to go home, so. Yeah. See what these little things like this place. Perfect with the oil lamp. And our other little candle we got going. Takes 3 AAA batteries. Lasts us forever. Got a little magnet on the back so it sticks perfect to the middle roof. And I would like to welcome all of our new subscribers we've got this week.
It's greatly appreciated from both of us.
And we hope you enjoy our videos. And to all of our subscribers, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next week.